That is why I do what I do. I agitate for Biafra. I agitate for Biafra. My right to agitate. My right.
Welcome, fellow Biafrans, lovers of freedom across the world. Wherever you are watching us from, we appreciate you and we welcome you to this amazing program. Please like and share to all platforms, share to family and friends. In this platform, remember, we bring you update that is coming from the United States of Biafra. And today, we are going to present to you the update of the case of our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who you know is appearing in court for the second time today. I want you to get the update directly from the court, raw. Pay close attention, watch from the beginning to the end. I bet you the update is superb, and I bet you we are winning. We are already on the track to win, and nothing is going to stop the victory that Biafrans have already received. Let us watch collectively and hear from the court how the proceeding is going on. Let's watch.
Then we have Dr. Patricia. Her name is Dr. Patricia. Please. I will how I do
This is a walkway. Hello, this is a walkway. How are you?
Good morning, sir.
How are you? Good to see you. Welcome.
After that, I have another brother of ours, Ikazo. Name is from Israel. Ikazo. Joseph.
He was avoiding the boy.
Okay, can you come here?
Okay.
Oh, Remy. Where's my daughter?
At the resumed hearing of Nnamdi Kanu's case, the counsel for the federal government, Adegboyega Awumolo, SAN, told the court that he had earlier filed an ex parte application for the witness to testify behind screens due to the nature of the case and for security reasons, which was granted by the court as there was no objection from Kanu's lawyers. As the government formally opened its case against Kanu, its witness who testified behind the screen told the court that on 14th October 2015, he was assigned with some team members to arrest Kanu at the Golden Tulip Hotel in Lagos. According to the witness whom the court tagged PWAAA, when they got to the Golden Tulip, the reception showed them the guest manifest of several months and noticed that Kanu's name was not there. They however got an order to conduct a room-to-room search of the hotel, which produced Kanu in room 303 with a young lady. The witness noticed that Kanu initially resisted arrest and was in an apartment that looked like a broadcasting studio. He was then taken to the DSS command in Lagos, where the items from his room were listed. The witness went on to read a statement made by Kanu on the same day of his arrest, where the IPOB leader said he set up Radio Biafra because he believes in freedom of speech and that the UN Charter of People's Rights guarantees the right to self-determination. In the same statement, Kanu also noted that he was questioned without his lawyer or any legal representation, so he answered the questions asked him in the best way he could. After giving his evidence in chief, the trial judge, Justice James Obotosho, adjourned to May 2nd for cross-examination.
The matter is very simple. The state has a case against our client, and we are defending him. And for the first time, the matter has been opened, and we have heard what the evidence is. On Friday, we are coming back to cross-examine him. But in the main, the matter has commenced on a good note, very sound note, very civilized trial. And we hope by the grace of God we'll continue on this note and get to the end.
Well, it's quite unfortunate that we have not woken up to understand that you cannot just arrest people because they have equipment on them. When the interview was going on, the leader of IPOB was mentioning in that particular interview that he was just broadcasting, telling the world about what the British government is doing. And there's nothing wrong with him telling the world that we deserve our rights and we deserve what is in London over here, to be treated fairly, to have what they have. Whatever they enjoy, we need to enjoy it in this country.
For the first time in about 10 years, Nnamdi Kanu's case has made headways. The federal government called its first witness today, and they say they have about 5 more witnesses to call. For a matter that has been granted accelerated hearing, Nigerians are eager to know what will be the outcome of this case. Chibuzo Okezie, AIT News, Abuja.
We started our cross-examination today, and for hours, And I guess we have made progress. We're getting there. The matter is set down for Tuesday, the continuation of the coordination, and of course for new other witnesses. We believe, like you said last week, we're making progress. Israel is going on in a very congenial atmosphere, and we believe that we will get there.
What is the difference between
No. We have said enough. Let's go. Let's go. Please.
Thank you so much for watching. Wherever you are watching from, you have heard how the whole thing went. And by the special grace of Chukwu Okike Abiama, we are sure of freedom. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is on a better side to win his case. He has won already. But this delay, we don't want it anymore. Very soon, it will all be over and we will rejoice and we'll go back to the promised land. Remember, the only freedom you can give Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is Biafra. So, continue to support the United States of Biafra under Dr. Ngozi Orobweze to make sure that Biafra is actualized. Thank you and stay blessed. See you on the next episode.